This is a summary of the essential content from the Food Studies topic, Macronutrients, an Introduction. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Food consists of nutrients, including macronutrients and micronutrients, as well as water and dietary fiber. It provides energy, supports growth and repair, maintains health, and is intertwined with society and culture. Dietary Reference Values, DRVs, estimate the energy and nutrient requirements for different groups. These values were established by the Committee of Medical Aspects of Food and Nutrition Policy, COMA, in the 1990s. Nutrient requirements vary among individuals. A scatter graph of a country's population, like the UK, shows the distribution of nutrient intakes, with some people needing more or less of certain nutrients. Nutrition labels on food packaging often display recommended daily amounts or guideline daily amounts, not DRVs. This is in compliance with the Food Labeling Regulations 1984. Macronutrients are essential nutrients needed in larger quantities by the body. These include protein, carbohydrates, fats, and certain minerals. Water and dietary fiber are also important, although not strictly considered nutrients.